सो हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल एंड मैं एक और आ चुका हूँ लेकर रिवेंज ऑफ द आयरन ब्लडी स्वॉर्ड हाउंड मानवा का चैप्टर 17 का रिएक्शन। सो यार लास्ट एपिसोड में हमने रिएक्शन किया था चैप्टर 16 का, जिसमें हमें फाइनली टाइम स्किप मिल चुका है। मतलब वो 8 साल से अब हो चुका है 15 साल का, एंड उसे पोजीशन ग्राइंड कर दी गई है हमारे मेन विलन की तरफ से, ह्यूगो ली बास्केटबॉल की तरफ से, डिप्टी कमिश्नर ऑफ द अंडरडॉग सिटी। या मुझे ना अब तक याद है मुझे कि क्या उसने क्या मजा आ रहा है, मुझे पूरा समझ रहा हूँ, मैंने मुझे याद होता नहीं इतनी आसानी से, बट हाँ डिप्टी कमिश्नर उसे ग्रांट कर दिया गया है, तो अब वो जाने वाला है, थोड़ा सा धमाका मचाने वाला है, तो वही देखना है। लेट्स गो, आज चैप्टर स्टार्ट करते हैं। और क्या करना है, ये अंडरडॉग सिटी, बास्केटबॉल टेरिटरी, अंडरडॉग, अरे बड़ी सिटी। लेट्स गो, यू गाइस make sure to have this place quickly clean by tomorrow. The new deputy councillor will be here. He is from the basketball family, so take special care. Yes sir. I wonder what kind of person the new deputy council is. I hope he is experienced and in business. What, didn't you hear? Apparently he is just 15. What, 15? What do you expect from a 15-year-old? We are screwed this time too. Then huh? लेकिन भाई पापा पे फोन कर ले, पापा पे फोन कर ले, पापा का फोन आ रहा। ठीक है। Whose kid is this? Did someone some employee bring him in? Hey, this isn't a place you can just enter freely. Remove your hand this instead. Oh, आई 15 साल का होते तो गुस्से में हो गया, तब तो ऐठ आ गई इसमें। Okay, this is, you are early, deputy council. Why did he have to came a day early? Hey you, prepare the women and drinks right now. I am gonna have a party. Oh, आती, अरे बाबा, a party? Okay, ये तो क्या, पार्टी शुरू हो चुकी है। हा, सब लोग पार्टी कर रहे हैं। चीचुआ भास्करवाइल, पता नहीं क्या नाम है। He is the general secretary of the city of Underdog, and he is very upset right now. Drinking on the first day of the job, a ridiculous guy been assigned to the job. Okay, I am already having a hard time because his predecessors were all dismissed because they accepted bribes. Okay, but he is holding a party at the workplace. What kind of troublemaker is this young kid? Okay, whatever. Maybe you will get it together once the city in Rue. Are you the general secretary? Oh, why drag your house? Deputy council? When did he come in? I am Vicar Van Baskerville. I am Chichua Baskerville. पता नहीं क्या नाम, Chichua Baskerville. Okay, you don't have a middle name? Not again. A lack of a middle name signifies that I am from outside the family. It means I am employed and not a blood member of the family. I have had to deal with all the deputy councillor discriminating against me because of this. Oh, उसके ऊपर हाथ और ये नहीं करेगा। Nice. Huh? What? I scanned through your personal information on the way here. You are from Underdog, right? I am born and raised here. Then you must know the ins and outs of this place. I know how hard people like you have to work. You don't intend to interfere with how you get your I don't intend to interfere with how you get your work done. So I trust you will continue to do as a good job. Okay. Is this a new form of harassment? भाई तारीफ कर रहा है तेरी वो। Why is he here when he asked for the party? The personal law system itself doesn't have a problem. But there are a lot of strange things when it comes to the judicial system. You read through all of that already. The problem with Underdog is that many illegal business owners were successfully, and as a result, the Underdog holds the power above law. अच्छा जी, just stopping the illegal businesses won't resolve the problem. The head of the Underdog businesses need to be removed. The job of a deputy councillor is to make laws and execute them. I respect all the laws that are already in place. However, I will add a new law. A new law? I will make sure the underdog economy is a shamble in a week. But I need a cause. I need a cause in order to make the execute this law. Did you? Why do you need a cause for getting rid of illegal businesses? I am still young, and I am a newly appointed deputy council. I need a performance in order to make it more convenient. To put it differently, I will lay out poop for the flies. Oh, बहुत ही अच्छा डायलॉग था, यही डायलॉग मारना है मैं भी, और ये सही लगा रहा है फोटो. What is he planning? The next day, खुले बाजार में अंडरडॉग डाउनटाउन जो भी नाम है. ओके. ओह भाई कपड़े उपड़े पहनो, खड़ा अपना बंदा तो. What's the deputy council planning to do? He's been standing there since the crack of dawn. There are a lot of people here. Whoa, listen up. I am the new appointed deputy council. But he is so young. He is cute. What's a kid like that gonna do? I believe you have all seen this notice. There are laws that have been in place for a while. Even if the deputy council has changed, the Baskerville family's laws are still strict as before, and will continue to be upheld, as if the higher ups don't do anything. He is probably gonna be lobbied pretty soon too anyway. How dare you? How do you think you are talking? Who do you think you are talking to? He is from the Baskerville main family. Will you mind your manners once your throat are cut out with blades? Let's stop. I wish Chelo would have been the new deputy council. How would a kid this young carry out laws? Okay, अब कुछ करने वाला है. क्या करने वाला है? मारे उसे? ओह, जमीन में गाड़ दिया. ओके, सब चौंक गए. डंडा गाड़ा है. I will announce a special with the authority of deputy council. Okay. Vicar Special Law Section 1 Cause 1. Oh, ये फोटो अच्छा लग रहा है. I will award 100 million golds to whoever succeeds in removing this stick. अच्छा, इतना कैडा बढ़ा है क्या तूने? ओह, सब लोग चिल्लाने लगे. 100 million. ओह, अच्छा, अरे ये छोटा चैप्टर था यार, ये तो ये क्या बदतमीजी है. बट ठीक है. 100 million. पता नहीं क्या होने वाला. बट गाइस, ये था चैप्टर 17 ऑफ द आयरन ब्लड स्वॉर्ड हाउंड मानवा का. काफ़ी अच्छा चैप्टर था, बट इतना कुछ ज़्यादा देखो छोटा चैप्टर, तो इतना ज़्यादा कुछ इन्होंने रिवील नहीं करा, बट फिर भी ठीक चैप्टर था. मुझे तो मज़ा आया. सो या गाइस, ये था चैप्टर 17 के लिए. चैप्टर 18 भी जल्दी आएगा. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.